If you have a seatbelt that's hard to retract from dirt, grime, neck oils, hand oils, I'll show you what to do. Help clean it off. What you're going to need is a bucket, water of course, soap, and some clamps, because we got to soak this thing. Then you're also going to need a towel and a scrubbing brush. That's all I can find right now. One of those caps to the upholstery cleaners. So I'll just take it easy. Alright. Dump some soap in here. I don't need a whole lot. Mix up the soap. Lay the bucket in here. Then you're going to have to retract the seatbelt. Dunk the seatbelt in here. The whole seatbelt. Clamp it up so it doesn't retract. Make sure it's all in there. Leave it for a good hour. Alright, been about an hour. Water's slightly murky. Pretty good. Wait another 15 minutes, half an hour. I'll dump this out. So what you can do now is take it out of the bucket. Scrub it down a little bit. Yeah, I shouldn't have put the buckle in there. Oh well. It'll dry. Scrub it down a little bit. Dry this off a little bit. Hold it. Scrub it lightly. Go up and down the whole thing. Go with the green. And you can either lay it down on the towel, or you can get a hair dryer or heat gun. Dry it off a lot faster. Me, I'm off today, so I ain't going nowhere. I'll let it dry, probably overnight. It'll completely dry. You do not want to put this retracted back into the system, because it'll all hold together, never dry. Well, eventually it'll dry, but you'll get some mold along the way. Get yourself nice and sick. But anyway, if your seatbelt is stiff and nasty, that's one way to clean it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.